some chips. Yes, sir. You feel me? We got the chips on a Monday. About 1:27 on a Monday. It's hot as hell. So we had to get the brims. Tap in with the brims, man. The OG onion ring flavor, fire. It's up there. But they got the fiery hot onion. Come on now. These bad boys looking crazy. That red 40, that's what y'all call it. These bad boys, I ain't gonna lie. They okay. They ain't better than the OGs. This red on here is probably just a little red dye. Nothing too crazy. These are solid 5. The OG